Hey there, I'm Jen, and today we're going to take a closer look at the first manufacturing the Sexy Biker women's riding jacket. So Kelly joins me today. Right now she's wearing the Sexy Biker women's jacket. This is a jacket that's clearly motivated and inspired to that V-twin crowd. It has that classic black leather jacket styling to it. Now it's called the Sexy Biker jacket because it does have a lot of cut-in panels to it for that curvy body type, and also has a wide range of sizes that they build this jacket in. It goes from an extra small all the way up to 5 extra large, so it's going to fit a lot of women riders out there. When it comes to main construction materials of the Sexy Biker jacket, it is a sheepskin main outer construction. It does have a drop-in thermal liner, so it's going to work best in your mild to cool riding seasons. Now, some notes about sizing. Kelly here is 5'8", 140 pounds, and has a 36-inch bust. When we look at the sizing chart, it does recommend a size extra small for her. Right now, she's wearing the size small, however. So our recommendation is go ahead and size one up. Now, don't forget that this product is going to ship to you for free, and as always, our price match policy is in place to guarantee you the lowest price available. All right, so let's dive into some of the features of the Sexy Biker jacket. Coming up top, you have your traditional collar with a dual button position here that you can adjust to your liking. I think in future iterations, it would be really nice to see this collar be a snapback so you get a little bit more airflow into this jacket. It does run down into a traditional YKK zipper, and you have 2 zip pockets on either side as well. I want to call your attention to, again, this kind of hourglass shape of all these patterns. This is a jacket that is designed for the curvier body types out there. Coming up top, you do have 2 zipper vents to get some airflow into the top of the jacket, and epaulets that are usable and functional. These snaps actually do work. I do want to point out again, the main construction material is a very soft sheepskin that's a 0.7 millimeter thickness. And then coming into the sleeve, this is normally where I talk about the armor that's included in a jacket. I want to point out that First Manufacturing does not include armor in any of their jackets, but they do sell the armor, so it's up to you if you want to add it in or not. The sleeve does have some quilted patterning on it for that classic biker vibe. Kelly, if you could turn to the side for us. All right, so in the side view, I want to point out the shoulder gusset. It gives a little bit more mobility to the arm, so the sleeve can position into a lot of different riding styles out there. Coming down into the torso and at the bottom of the hem, there is a zipper gusset, so you could open up the bottom of this jacket and get a little bit more room if you need. All right, Kelly, if you could turn to the back for us, please. In this back view, again, you can see more of that hourglass patterning happening in this jacket, and there are 2 zip vents back here, so you can get a little bit more air escaping the jacket. Again, this is a all black leather jacket. It does have a drop-in thermal liner. It typically runs hot, so these little vents can help you out on those really hot summer days. And then coming onto the bottom of the jacket, a drop tail here for coverage on the lower back. All right, Kelly, if you could turn front and unzip for us, please. So on the inside of the Sexy Biker jacket, here's that drop-in thermal liner I talked about, and it is removable, so you could go ahead and pop that out on those hotter days of riding. On either side, you have a concealed carry pocket, if that is your thing. I want to point out it does have a very short connection zipper and a button if you choose to attach this jacket to a pair of pants. All right, Kelly, you could go ahead and zip up for us, please. All right, so that is the general 360 overview of the First Manufacturing the Sexy Biker women's riding jacket. This is a jacket that is definitely V-twin inspired. It has that classic black leather biker vibe to it, but what I think is really the most standout feature about it is that it has that curvy cut-in pattern to it, and it goes all the way up to a size 5 extra large. Now, if you have more questions, go ahead and hit the info button on your desktop or mobile device. It'll redirect you to the product page where you see more product features and read some reviews from riders like yourself. And if you have even more questions, give our customer service a call, and they'll be happy to help you find a jacket that best suits your riding needs. All right, thanks for kicking it with Kelly and I as we take a closer look at the First Manufacturing the Sexy Biker women's riding jacket. I'm Jen, keep it on 2.